Howdy, welcome to Bobby is Awkward. Today I'm getting ready and I show you what I do here. I don't know if I've decided to show you what I do to get the eye look or not. We'll see in editing. Mostly I want to share about the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. This is not sponsored, but I spent enough at Ulta last year to get this foundation and I learned a lot about Clinique foundation when I went to pick up my free foundation and I wanted to share it with you. So let's get into that makeup look, and you should follow me on social media. I'm Bobby is Awkward everywhere. You should check out my podcast, Awkward Club, wherever you listen to podcasts. It's also here on YouTube. And now let's get into that makeup look. Welcome to the video. I've already primed my face and done my eyeshadow. I used the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I used the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I only buy the minis because that you don't take it a lot. So the foundation we're using today is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I'm going to talk about how the girl at Ulta helped me find the perfect shade match and taught me that seriously, this stuff oxidizes 2 shades deeper and either pulls really pink or really yellow. So Googling oxidized swatches is the way to go because you can't open up anything in the store right now. She spent like 5 minutes with me and we figured it out. She got the perfect shade. It's going to go on. It's going to look real light right now. And then within like 2 minutes, it's going to look the right shade. So we're going to start with it. It has one of these doe foot applicators, which I'm not a fan of, but oh, I got some bangs down here. It is what it is. This is like a medium coverage foundation. I think we'll see if I have to apply more. I'm using an It Cosmetics Love is the foundation brush from Ulta. It's Heart. So Clinique foundations pull really pink or really yellow, and they oxidize typically 2 shades darker than what's on the bottle on most people. And that was my problem last year when I got my free foundation for spending way too much money at Ulta. We won't talk about that. And I was like, oh, okay, because it matched perfectly when I put it on, and then I looked ridiculous 10 minutes later. This foundation, I look like a ghost right now, and in 5 minutes it'll be the right shade. Oh, I'm looking quite ghosty. So we'll start applying the rest of what I wear and it will darken while we're sitting here even. Next up, I use the concealer, the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in the shade Vanilla. I just use a smidge, like a smidge under my eye. Oh. So I use the tools God gave you for concealer, which most people don't. I use my fingers. And people are going to be like, oh my gosh, you use your finger. Well, yeah, I do. I had been using the Benefit Cakeless Concealer and the Benefit Hydrating Concealer. And I couldn't figure out why my eyes kept watering every day. Turns out I'm probably allergic to those concealers. The powder I use is the Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder in Pink Haze. You can only get it on the Becca website now. I don't know if they're gonna discontinue it or what, but I love it. I'm thinking about trying the Fenty setting powder in the purple because it supposedly does the same thing. I don't use a lot of powder. It's more just brushing. You can already see the foundation is darkening and I'm not looking as ghostly. Next up, oh no, did I forget that brush? Oh, no, it's right here. I use the Natasha Denona Contour and Sculpting Powder. I hit pan in this product. I'm super proud of that. I don't know what this video is going to be like. I don't know what to talk about. The blush is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Papa Don't Peach blush. I like blush. You can take the rodeo queen out of the girl, or you can take the queen contest, whatever. I like blush. You can already see the foundation and it's looking more, I mean, I don't know, it's because of added products, but oh. And then eyeliner, I use one brand of eyeliner, guys, because my eyes are watery and I water it off, but I use the Marc Jacobs gel highliner. I don't know what they call it. This is in the color Earthquake. It's their brown shade. Their matte brown shade. I can't talk and do eyeliner. And then eyebrows, I use the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso. Oh, wait. I am not a pro, like not a pro. And then I use the Essence Lash and Brow Gel, and it's clear. It's like $3.99. For highlight, I'm using the new Buxom Wanderlust in White Russian. I'm going to take this brush from the Naked Ultraviolet palette and put some, no I'm not, that brush sucks. I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush that I don't even think they make anymore, and I'm going to put some under the brow up here, on the brow bone. I think that's what they call it. And then I'm going to take a little more and put it on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take my highlighting brush, which is a Morphe from the Jaclyn Hill Collection JH09. See, like you can already see that the foundation has darkened and I don't look like a ghostly ghost anymore. I'm going to take the Morphe setting spray in Sweet Peach. Before I do my mascara. This is just a Tarte eyelash curler from Christmas. It's a pineapple a couple years ago. So what have you been up to during this week? I don't know. Like, I'm not a beauty guru. This was just a new type of video. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. It's one of my, it's an alright, like, higher end priced mascara. For drugstore mascaras, I really like the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black and the Bambi Eyes. I really like the Bambi Eyes. For my lips, I'm going to line them with the ColourPop Lip Liner Oh Snap. And then I'm going to use the Full Force Buxom lipstick in White Russian. And then for a glossy over the top, I'm going to put the Fenty Gloss Balm in Fenty Glow. So here's the final look. You can already see where the makeup has matched my face perfectly. I'm digging how this look turned out today. I will link what I can down below. I think everything I used is linkable. I know I use my fingers for some things. It is what it is. God gave you these tools. I mean, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you like this video, please give it a like or a comment. If you want to watch more videos, there will be one coming up in the YouTube's going to recommend. You should follow me on social media. I am Bobby is Awkward everywhere. You should listen to mine and Kai's podcast, Awkward Club. It comes out with new episodes every Thursday. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.